Hey everybody, just thought I would show my new dishwasher that I got. Now you have to excuse my voice, I've been sick, so I'm still a little bit sick. So anyway, I'm going to show you the new dishwasher that I got. And if I can find the paper that came with it. Yeah, right here it is. So this is the Danby DDW496W, and this is the energy guide. So it uses 200 kilowatts per year, and I'm not sure, uses 200 kilowatts per year, and other models that are similar to this use 277. Now down here it says the yearly operating cost is $17 per year when used with an electric water heater, and $12 when used with a natural gas water heater. So I have an electric water heater, so I can plan on using $17 or spending $17. And then it's got the Canadian energy guide on the back, and right there is the model number. So anyway, I went to the store and got these finished gel packs, which seem to work very well with the dishwasher. And I also got this jet dry, which I filled up, and it has on here 80 washes, and there's 25 gel packs in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get one out to show you what it looks like, plus I'm going to be using it in just a second. So this is what the gel pack looks like. It's just orange. Basically looks kind of like the pods for the washing machine. I'll just get one of those and compare the size. It's actually probably smaller. So here's a Tide Pod for comparison. So it's smaller than the Tide Pod. But anyway. So I've got a load in here now. And I'll just open it. Well, I'll show you the features first. So up here you have the door release or door open button. So you just press that and the door pops open. But it stops right there, so it won't fly open, of course. But of course, if you push it, it's going to fly open. But anyway, you got your power light and your sanitize cycle light, and then your sanitize on/off button and power on and off button, and your different cycles here, which I'm not sure exactly what those are. I always use this one down on the bottom, which seems to do good for any kind of load. So that's the kind that I do. Now you can put it up here and it will go all the way around till it gets back up here. So it's an even longer one, I guess, but I always just use the one down there in the middle. Now this one up here is a really short load by itself, so I guess you could call it a quick wash. But anyway, enough blabbering on. So I'm just going to show you what I have in here. Yes, I have a deep fryer in the dishwasher. So I'm going to go wash it out. And I just have one bowl. This is just a very loose load, by the way. You could stuff quite a bit more in here. But I have a cup. Another cup back there that goes to my single serve blender. A bowl. And the lid to the deep fryer, and a couple spoons. So we'll put this back in there, and one more feature. This has a crumb catcher tray, I guess you could call it, and to get it, you just pull up on it and pull out. And you can see that water is in there and the heating element. So I'm just going to put it in because I don't really need to be emptied out right now. And for the pot, I just throw it on top of that vent, and it will dissolve and the water will recycle through. But this is the tray to put your liquid detergent, or I guess any other kind of detergent for that matter. Excuse me. But yeah, that's the tray. Of course, as soon as you close the door, it's going to dump out. But anyway, it goes down in there. But the water recycles anyway, so I'll get used no matter what. But it does refill with water a couple of times throughout the cycle, so it's not constantly using dirty water. And of course, it has this window that you can see through. And I've actually seen some pretty bad reviews when it comes to the window. So I'm hoping that mine does not fall apart like I've been seeing in some of the reviews. Because they said that the window sill comes out and it leaks water everywhere. So I'm hoping that don't happen to mine. And this over here is the rinsing agent. You just put it in there. It's got a little seal on here so it don't come out. You just close it back tightly. And you have this little thing that shows whether it needs to be filled or not. And of course it sprays out this little thing, I guess. I'm not really sure. But and of course the interior is solid stainless steel, so that's good. It seems to be kind of cheap though. And something I don't get, if it's stainless steel, it looks like it would be magnetic, but it's not. I have one of these little silver magnets here. And but yeah. So I mean, those up there are stainless steel too, and it don't stick to it. So maybe, I don't know, maybe these don't stick to stainless steel. It will, however, stick to this part. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and close it since we have our pot in there and do a cycle. So I'll twist the knob down to the middle part and press the sanitize button and press the power button. And it fills up with water. It cuts off and it will start washing. Now, this thing is pretty big actually. I was kind of disappointed, even though the happiness of me getting it outweighed the disappointment. I was disappointed because it seems like every time I try to do a video, a train comes through. But anyway, I could not fit it on the counter, and my counter's messy right now. But anyway, I even tried to take this part off, and I still need to screw it back on there. But anyway, and it still wouldn't fit. So what I did was I got this microwave cart, and it fits on it perfectly. And as you can see, it actually fits pretty flat against the wall. You don't have to leave much room. Just a little bit for the... Pretty much the only reason it even needs that much is because the cord back there, if I can show it, right there. But anyway, so it will pretty much be able to fit right against the wall. So that's a good thing. So anyway, I'll just show this for a little bit longer. And just to give you a size comparison, here's the side of it. And this is compared with my washing machine. It's actually pretty much as wide as my washing machine. So it is kind of big, but I'm happy to have it. There's so many appliances in this kitchen, it's crazy. And I don't have enough room for all of them. I have the dishwasher, the washing machine, refrigerator, freezer, and stove, which has trash all over it. I've been moving stuff around and I'm trying to get everything cleaned up. So that's why there's pretty much trash everywhere right now. But anyway, I guess that'll be it. Not really much else to show because it's pretty much what it does the whole time. The second part of the cycle, the one thing spins around faster, but there's not really much else to show, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it here.